100%, all the time. Always get running nose. Always get running nose.
It's happening right now.
Is it? Don't worry, we got you. If you need tissue, we got you as well. Just give me a sign. Let's go.
I will.
Alright, cool. That's the first song. We've got another one.
Got some more, yeah. Next one is Burn With You.
Burn With You, yeah? Alright, cool. Team, stand by. Burn With You on the way. Let's do it.
That this was a last goodbye, but I'm there in the morning at your front door, taking your keys like the jug and surrender. I'll change my rules, what I wear, baby, if you ask me to. Everyone's so aware that everything's clean. It's just one last, so why don't you get the matches and I'll burn the gas and we see all the same.
DJ AG online, Camden Market. Talented.
Thank you.
It's a reminder before we do the last song, where can they follow you? Tell them one more time.
You can follow me on Instagram, all the socials, TikTok, Selin, S-E-L-I-N. For Instagram, it's S-E-L-I-N .G-E-C-I-T, which is my surname. But yeah.
Big energy. So we've got one more to do.
We got one more, and I think we all know this one. So you
Yeah?
can help me sing.
Should I sing as well?
You should sing.
No, I definitely shouldn't. That'll
This
be
is-
bad. Really bad.
Buddy.
That'll be really, really bad. Trust me, they'll all leave. Everyone will leave right now. Right, you good? Right, let's do it. Everyone stand by.
Let's go. Sing it with me.
Catch a Thursday, that's the way it was. Happened so naturally, I did not know it was love. Next thing I felt was you holding me close. What was I gonna do? I let myself go. Now I'm flying through the stars. Hope this night will last forever.
DJ AG online, Camden Market, London.
I know just what I will do when I I can't resist this sweet surrender. Oh, my nights so warm and tender. Oh, we stare into each other's eyes. Hey, I always say it's no